If your site has multiple custom domains, you'll need to pick one to act as your primary domain. The primary domain is the main address for your site. To find which domain is your primary, navigate to the Domains panel and look for the primary label next to a domain. All custom domains redirect to the primary, meaning that domain always displays in the browser address bar no matter which domain visitors use to access the site. The first custom domain you add to your site is automatically set as your primary domain. If you add more custom domains, that first domain remains as your primary. To set a new primary domain, click the three dots menu and click Set as Primary Domain. Select the domain from the drop-down menu. Click Set. Your new primary domain displays as a primary label in the Domains panel. Please let us know if you have any more questions. We're always here to help.